Today I'll walk you through how to store securely to OneDrive, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to share your files securely so you can protect your important documents with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to OneDrive's homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL or simply searching for OneDrive in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the OneDrive homepage, you'll see a clean and organized interface that allows you to manage your files easily. Next, let's move to the My Files section. Click on the My Files option on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where all your uploaded files are stored. Once you're in My Files, look for the Share button, which is typically located at the top of the page. Click on this button to begin the sharing process. Now, you'll see a prompt that allows you to customize how you want to share your files. Click on the option that says anyone with the link can edit. This setting is crucial as it allows you to control who can access your files. A pop-up window will appear giving you additional options to enhance your file security. Here you can set a password for your shared link, ensuring that only those who have the password can access your files. You can also set an expiration date for the link, which is a great way to limit access over time. This means that even if someone has the link, they won't be able to access your files indefinitely. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Microsoft often updates its interface, but the core functionality remains the same. Just follow along with the steps I've outlined and you'll be just fine. Once you've customized the sharing settings to your liking, click the Send button to share your file securely. You can send the link via email or copy it to share through other means. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to store securely to OneDrive. Remember, keeping your files safe is essential, especially when sharing sensitive information. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.